Hello student, welcome to next lecture for algebra. In previous lecture we studied the relations and examples on relations. Relation R is a subset of A cross B. Any relation R is a subset of A cross B. When A and B are two non-empty sets, sometimes A and B are same. Then we say that R is a relation defined on set A. If the ordered pair xy belongs to set R, then we say that x is related to y. That is, we write mathematically it as x r y. If ordered pair xy belongs to R, then we say x related to y, and we represent that as x r y. If some ordered pair, suppose xz, does not belongs to set R, but xz belongs to A cross B, then we say x is not related to z. And in that case we write x does not related to z mathematically in this form. Now we see the types of relations. The first type is reflexive relation. A relation defined on set A is said to be reflexive relation if for each element x belongs to A, the ordered pair xx belongs to set R. That is, for all x belongs to set A, x R x. A relation defined on set A is said to be reflexive if for each element x belongs to A, the ordered pair x comma x belongs to set R. Then that is, for all x belongs to A, x R x. The second definition is symmetric relation. A relation defined on set A is said to be symmetric if for xy belongs to set A, if the ordered pair xy belongs to R, then the ordered pair yx belongs to R. That is, if x r y, then y r x. Then we must have y r x. Third definition, transitive relation. A relation defined on set A is said to be transitive relation if we have xy and yz belongs to set R, then the ordered pair xz should be in R. That is, mathematically we write if xry and yrz, then xrz. These are the three types of relations. Reflexive relation. A relation defined on set A is said to be reflexive if every element of set A is related to itself in set R. Symmetric relation if one element of set A is related to other element in the relation R, then second element should be related to first element. If we have two cases, x related to y, that is ordered pair xy belongs to set R, and also we have ordered pair yz belongs to R. Then we have the ordered pair xz belongs to R. What is the meaning of this? If x is related to y and y is related to z, then we must have x related to z. Then only we say that the relation is transitive relation. The examples: in example, we consider the set A first. Let A is equal to set of real numbers R and define a relation R on set A as by x R x y if and only if x is less than or equal to y. If we consider A is a set of real numbers, define relation R on the set A by x is related to y if and only if x is less than or equal to y. Solution: state whether R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Solution: it is given that A is set of real numbers. Define the relation R on set A as the ordered pair xy belongs to R where x is less than or equal to y and x and y are real numbers. This pair belongs to set R, then if and only x is less than or equal to y. First we check whether R is reflexive relation or not. We have this definition: if every element of set A for all x belongs to A, the ordered pair xx belongs to R. Here we consider all the real numbers and check whether every real number is less than or equal to the same number. Yes, it is true. We can write each x belongs to R as each real number because we are defining relation R on the set of real numbers. Hence we consider real number as each real number x satisfies the condition x less than or equal to x. Every number is less than or equal to the same number. Hence, we say that the ordered pair xx belongs to set R. When will the ordered pair xy belongs to set R? If x is less than or equal to y. If we consider y is equal to x, then this condition is true. Means all the ordered pairs xx belongs to set R for all x belongs to set of real numbers, or in this case it is set A. Okay, therefore R is reflexive relation because it satisfies the definition for all x belongs to A, x are x. Second, we check it is symmetric or not. To check whether it is symmetric relation, what is the definition of symmetric relation? If ordered pair xy belongs to R, then yx is also belongs to R. See, the ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R. For example, the ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to set R, relation R, as these two elements 1 and 2 satisfy this condition where 1 less than or equal to 2. Okay, as 1 is less than or equal to 2, hence we say 1, 2 belongs to R. But we cannot say that 2, 1 belongs to R. For 1, 2 belongs to R, where this is the reason we cannot say that 2, 1 belongs to R. Because of what? 2 is not less than or equal to 1. xy belongs to set R if and only if x is less than or equal to y. In this example, xy belongs to set R if and only if x is less than or equal to y. But 2 is not less than or equal to 1. Therefore, 2, 1 ordered pair does not belongs to set R. Hence, if xy belongs to R, consider this statement. If xy belongs to set R, then yx does not belongs to R in this case. In general, we write this as if x and y are any two real numbers, such that x less than or equal to y, then y need not be less than or equal to x. Y need not be less than or equal to x. That is, if x less equal y, then y is not less than or equal to x for all cases. We may consider y is equal to x because x is less than or equal to y. In one case, they are equal, x and y are equal, hence y and x are also equal. But if we consider x strictly less than y, then we cannot say that y less than or equal to x. Therefore, if what is the meaning of this? X is less than or equal to y. If x is less than or equal to y, then xy ordered pair belongs to R. That is, if ordered pair xy belongs to set R, then ordered pair yx does not belongs to set R. Hence, this relation R is not symmetric because we should have for all real numbers, for all xy belongs to A, for all xy belongs to A, if xy belongs to R, then yx belongs to R. We have for xy belongs to R, yx need not belongs to R, hence R is not symmetric. Now we check whether R is transitive relation or not. This is the definition of transitivity. If we consider three real numbers x, y, z, let x, y and z belongs to set of real numbers and x, y, z belongs to R, relation R. When x, y and y, z belongs to R, if they satisfy this condition, because this is definition of relation we find on set of real numbers. As x, y belongs to R, this implies x less than or equal to y, and y, z belongs to R implies y less than or equal to z. We know that if one real number less than or equal to other is less than or equal to third, then first real number should be less than or equal to third. This implies x less than or equal to y and y less than or equal to z. That is x less than or equal to z. If x is less than or equal to z, then the ordered pair xz belongs to R, because this is the definition of relation. In this example, xy belongs to R if x is less than or equal to y. Here we are getting x is less than or equal to z, hence xz belongs to R. Therefore, if xy and yz belongs to set R, then we have xz belongs to R. Therefore, R is by definition of transitive relation. If x y and yz belongs to R, then if that implies xz belongs to R, then relation R is transitive relation. Here x y and yz belongs to R implies xz belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive relation. We see the next example. Consider A set is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Define first R1 is equal to ordered pair 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3. We will take one by one. Define one relation on this set and check whether the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We consider second relation as R2 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1. Third is R3 is equal to 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, 3. Then state whether R1, R2, R3 are reflexive, symmetric, transitive relations. The A set is given as set of 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. The first relation R1 is defined by R1 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3. We check whether it is reflexive or not. See the elements of the set A. A is the set of 4 elements. Definition of reflexive relation is for all x belongs to set A. If the ordered pair x belongs to set R, then we say that R is reflexive relation. Consider the set A. A set is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, every element of this set A is related to itself under the relation R1. 1, 1 belongs to R1. The ordered pair 2, 2 belongs to set R1. 3, 3 belongs to R1. 4, 4 belongs to R1. Therefore, for all x belongs to set A. If x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have ordered pair x belongs to set R1 or relation R1. This is true for all x belongs to A, hence R1 is a reflexive relation. Therefore, R1 is reflexive relation on set A. Second, we check symmetric. For that, consider the ordered pair of type xy and check whether the ordered pair yx belongs to the set R1 or not. 1, 1 belongs to set R1. Take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Then ordered pair Yx is same as ordered pair Xy. This belongs to set R1. Or the second ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to set R1. We have 2, 1 belongs to the relation R1. 1, 2 belongs to R1 and 2, 1 also belongs to R1. Next ordered pair is 2, 2. If we consider x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, then we get ordered pair xy is equal to 2, 2. Hence, the ordered pair yx is also 2, 2. Hence, we cannot check symmetric relation for the ordered pair of the type x, x. Next ordered pair is 2, 3. 2, 3 ordered pair belongs to set R1. But the ordered pair 3, 2 is not in R1. If xy belongs to relation R, implies yx belongs to R, then R is a symmetric relation. Here 1, 2 belongs to R1 implies 2, 1 belongs to R1. This means R1 need not be symmetric. That result should be true for all ordered pairs xy, where x is not equal to y. 2, 3 belongs to R1, but 2, 3 belongs to R1 does not imply 3, 2 belongs to R1. Therefore, relation R1 is not symmetric. R1 is not symmetric. Why? Since if x, y belongs to R1 does not imply y, x belongs to R1. In other way we write if x, R1, y need not imply y, R1, x. If x and y are related in R1, then y and x are not related in R1. This should be true for all xy. If x are y, then y are x. For all xy belongs to A set. In relation R1, the ordered pair 1, 2 and 2, 1 are there, but the ordered pair 2, 3 belongs to R1 and ordered pair 3, 2 does not belongs to R1. Therefore, R1 is not symmetric relation. Third, we check transitive relation. For that, we have to consider the ordered pair of the type xy, yz. 1, 2, since the ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R1, and second, choose the ordered pair in which 2 is related to other element. The second element of this ordered pair is 2. Now we see the ordered pair in which 2 is related to some other element. In the next ordered pair 2, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2 belongs to R1. This implies which are x, y and z now. X is related to y is related to z, implies x is related to z. 1 should be related to 2. For transitivity, this implies the ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to set R1. Now consider the another pairs. 1, 2 belongs to relation R1. See the next pair in which 2 is related to some other element. This pair contains 2, 2, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1 belongs to relation R1. Now we check whether 1 related to 1 or not. This means 1, 1 ordered pair belongs to set R1 or not. 1, 2 and 2, 1 belongs to relation R1. This implies ordered pair 1, 1 that is present in relation R1. 1, 1 belongs to R1. Now we go to the next pairs. Here 2, 3, 2 is also related to 3. Hence we check for these two ordered pairs 1, 2 and 2, 3. 1, 2 and 2, 3 belongs to set R1. we check whether 1 is related to 3 or not. Here x is related to y is related to z, x value is 1, y value is 2, z value is 3. Whether x is related to z or not, 1, 3 ordered pair does not belongs to set R1. This does not imply ordered pair 1, 3 belongs to R1. 1, 2 and 2, 3 belongs to R1, but this does not imply 1, 3 belongs to R1. That is, but 1, 3 does not belongs to R1. Therefore, definition of transitive relation fails for these two ordered pairs. Hence, the whole relation R1 is not a transitive relation. We should have definition is true for all ordered pairs of the type xy and yz. If xy and yz belongs to R1, for all such ordered pairs, if xz belongs to R1, then only R1 will be transitive relation. Here, in third case, 1, 2 and 2, 3 belongs to R1, xy and yz belongs to R1, but xz does not belongs to R1. Therefore, R1 is not transitive relation. Now we consider the second example. Consider R2. R2 is defined as, in given example, 1, 1, ordered pair 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1. First, we check whether R2 is reflexive relation or not. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of the set A. The ordered pair 1, 1 belongs to R2, 2, 2 belongs to R2, 3, 3 belongs to R2, but 4, 4 does not belongs to R2. Therefore, for 4 belongs to set A, the ordered pair 4, 4 does not belongs to set R2. Therefore, R2 is a relation which is not reflexive relation, because we have for all x belongs to set A, the ordered pair of type XX does not belongs to R2. This condition is not satisfied for all x belongs to A, where x is 4. 4 belongs to A, but 4, 4 does not belongs to R2. Hence, this relation R2 is not reflexive relation. Second, we check symmetric. For that, we consider ordered pair having x and y different. Because if they are same, then symmetric relation is, then the definition of symmetric relation is variance. True. 1, 3 belongs to R2. We check whether 3, 1 belongs to R2 or not. Yes, 3, 1 belongs to set R2. Implies 3, 1 belongs to R2. Hence, if we consider ordered pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 as the ordered pair of type xy, then yx ordered pair will be same 2, 2, 1, 1 and 3, 3. Hence, the relation R2 is symmetric relation. Why it is symmetric? If x, y belongs to set R2, then we have yx belongs to R2. Therefore, R2 is symmetric relation. Third, we check transitivity. If the ordered pair 1, 1 and ordered pair 1, 3 belongs to R2, we need x, y and y, z, two ordered pairs of the type x, y and y, z. So, we have taken 1, 1 and the next pair is 1, 3. This implies the first element of first ordered pair related to second element of second ordered pair. 1, 3 is this element again. This implies ordered pair 1, 3 belongs to R2. we check next element. See the element 1, 1. 1 is related to 1 and 1 is related to only the element 3. In the next pairs 1 does not related to any element. Hence we go to the next pair, 1 related to 3. Now consider the pair for which 3 is related to other element, because here y value is 3. 3 element is related to 3. 1 3 and 3 3 belongs to R2. We will check whether 1 is related to 3. First element of first ordered pair related to second element of second ordered pair or not. Yes, because that pair will be 1 3 and 1 3 belongs to R2. Now we have if 1 3 see other ordered pair of the set R2 in which 3 is related to other element. We consider 3 3 ordered pair in second case. Also 3 1 is ordered 3 1 ordered pair belongs to set R2 and 3 1 belongs to R2. See whether 1 1 belongs to R2 or not. 1 1 pair belongs to R2. This implies 1 1 belongs to R2. We go to the next ordered pair 2 2. The element 2 2 belongs to set R2. Now see the other pairs in which 2 is related to different element. This 2 related to 2 but 2 does not related to other elements. If we consider this, 3 is related to 3 and 3 is related to 1 and 3 related to 1. These two pairs, we have x related to y and y related to z. We check whether x related to z or not. Here x and z are 3 and 1 respectively. This implies 3 1 pair belongs to set R2. Now we consider in ordered pair 3 3 and see at the other ordered pair to which in which 3 is related to other element. 3 is related to 3 here, 3 is related to 1 and there is no other ordered pair in which 3 is related to other element of set A. Therefore, R is transitive relation. Why it is transitive? Since if xy and yz belongs to R2, this implies the ordered pair xz belongs to R2. That is, we write this as if x are y and y are z, then x are z. We solve this last example, R3. Consider R3. It is given as set of ordered pair 2 2, 3 2, 1 4, 1 3, 4 3. Because the ordered pair 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4 does not belongs to R3. That is, as for all x belongs to set A, we does not have x belongs to R3. This means if x belongs to A, then ordered pair xx does not belongs to R3. This is not true for all x belongs to A, which are that x is equal to 1. If we take x is equal to 1, element of set A, 1 1 does not belongs to R3. If we take x is equal to 3, then 3 3 is not here. Also 4 4 does not belongs to R3. Therefore R3 is not reflexive. Second, we check symmetric. The ordered pair 3 2 belongs to R3, but 2 is not related to any other element. 2 is related to only 2 as 3 2 belongs to R3. 3 2 belongs to R3, but the element 2 3 does not belongs to R3. Hence, if xy belongs to R3, then we did not have, this does not imply yx belongs to R3 for all x, y belongs to set A. If xy belongs to R3, then y does not belongs to R3. For example, 3 2 belongs to R3, but 2 3 does not belongs to R3. Therefore, definition of symmetric relation is not true for one ordered pair 3 2. Hence, whole relation R3 is not symmetric relation. Next, we check transitive relation. See, the ordered pair 3 2 and 1 3 and 1 3 belongs to R3, but x is related to y and y is related to z. Transitive relation is, this relation will be transitive if xy and, but the ordered pair 3 3 does not belongs to R3. These two ordered pairs belongs to R3, but the first element of first pair is not related to with second element of second pair. Therefore, the relation R3 is not transitive. Why? Because since if xy and yz belongs to R3, then xz does not belongs to R3. Hence, the relation R3 is not reflexive, not symmetric, and not transitive. Thank you, student.